Load your family into the 2017 Jeep Compass. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, front fog lights, a roof rack, and cruise control. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.